Spinach, widely recognized as one of the most nutrient-rich leafy greens, is loved around the world for its abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. In the United States alone, up to 926 million pounds of spinach are harvested annually, securing the country's status as one of the leading producers. So, how is this nutritious vegetable harvested with the help of modern machinery? Let's find out in today's video. To produce such a large yield, spinach needs to be grown under optimal conditions. The main spinach growing regions in the United States are located in temperate, fertile areas such as California and Arizona. The ideal soil and climate conditions allow spinach to thrive, producing lush green fields full of life and high yields. After about 35 to 60 days from planting, when the spinach leaves are thick, lush, and nutritious, farmers will harvest. Thanks to the support of modern machinery, this process is faster than ever. Spinach harvesting machines are designed with advanced technology, can perform many stages in the same operation, helping to save time and labor. The harvester features sharp blades that cut spinach close to the root quickly and precisely without damaging the plant. An integrated conveyor system gently lifts the spinach into a pre-cleaning area, where dirt, sand, and impurities are effectively removed by air blowing or gentle vibration. At the same time, large trucks are fully synchronized with the harvester to quickly transfer the spinach into the container, minimizing transport time, keeping the spinach fresh and of good quality when it reaches the processing plant. Thanks to modern technology, the spinach harvesting process is highly efficient, both increasing productivity and ensuring consistent quality. Advanced machinery helps vegetables always reach standard size, fresh green color, and maintain nutritional value, meeting the domestic and international demand for high-quality food. Not only bringing economic benefits, these advances also contribute to protecting natural resources and promoting sustainable agriculture. After harvesting, spinach is transported to the processing plant, where it goes through various stages to suit the diverse needs of the market. For fresh vegetables, the cleaning process is carried out on an automatic conveyor system with high-pressure water jets to completely remove dirt and impurities. The vegetables are then gently dried using an air blowing system to avoid crushing and maintain their natural texture. So the leaves that meet quality standards will be packed into sealed bags, ensuring freshness, color, and nutritional value during transportation to supermarkets and stores. In addition to fresh vegetables, spinach is also frozen to extend the shelf life while still retaining all the nutrients. After washing, the vegetables are quickly blanched in hot water to prevent oxidation. Next, super fast freezing technology helps the vegetables retain their structure, flavor, and nutritional value. Finally, the product is packaged airtight, ensuring long-term use without affecting the quality when thawed. To ensure a bountiful harvest, farmers apply modern farming methods right from the start. They select high-quality spinach varieties that are suitable for the soil and climate, and rotate crops. Before planting, the soil is carefully treated with advanced methods to achieve optimal porosity. Seeds are then sown mechanically, helping to control density, distribute evenly, and increase germination rates. By applying technology throughout the planting process, farmers can increase productivity and ensure the quality of the harvested vegetables. Throughout the cultivation process, American farmers apply advanced methods to ensure the highest productivity and quality. Smart irrigation systems are used to provide the right amount of water, helping plants grow optimally without waterlogging or drought. Along with that, fertilization is also strictly controlled, ensuring adequate supply of necessary nutrients without harming the environment. Crop rotation is carried out regularly to maintain soil fertility, limit pests and diseases, and increase production efficiency. China currently leads the world in spinach production, followed by the United States. To improve productivity and quality, farmers apply modern technologies such as automatic irrigation, precision seeders, and advanced harvesters. In addition, sustainable farming methods such as crop rotation and the use of disease-resistant varieties are also applied. In the face of the green agriculture trend, spinach farming models are increasingly environmentally friendly, meeting the increasing consumption demand in the global market. Not only is it an important agricultural product, spinach also brings many health benefits. This vegetable is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which help boost immunity, protect the skin, and support blood clotting. Thanks to advances in agricultural technology, the United States has developed an efficient and sustainable spinach production process. The combination of modern technology and the dedication of farmers has helped spinach not only meet domestic demand, but also expand to international markets. What do you think of this video? Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on interesting content about agriculture and technology. Today, about 8.2 million acres of land are dedicated to growing crops such as alfalfa and corn to provide nutrition for livestock. With large-scale production, the application of modern technology is a key factor to improve productivity and efficiency. So how does the harvesting process work? Let's find out. Alfalfa, known as the queen of grasses, stands out with its rich nutritional value, especially rich in protein and fiber. Thanks to its ability to adapt well to the environment, this plant grows quickly, absorbs water and minerals effectively without requiring too much care. After a period of growth, lucerne creates lush green fields with thick vegetation. When it reaches the appropriate height, the tree is ready to harvest, providing a stable food source for livestock all year round. Alfalfa harvesting is a meticulous process to maximize its nutritional value. Farmers typically harvest alfalfa 3 to 4 times a year, ensuring the plant is cut in the pre-flowering stage when its protein content is at its peak. Thanks to modern machinery, this harvesting process is not only efficient, but also extremely precise. Actual machines not only cut the plant, but also use an integrated suction system to collect and transfer the fresh alfalfa directly into an attached storage tank. After harvesting, fresh alfalfa is transported directly to the farm and used as feed for livestock without undergoing any processing. This method not only saves time, but also effectively preserves its nutritional value, particularly protein and fiber, which support animal growth. However, not all alfalfa is used immediately. A significant portion is carefully collected for silage, a modern preservation method that ensures a long-term feed supply, consistently meeting livestock demands year-round. The silage production process begins with dedicated automated cutters that precisely cut the alfalfa stalks and arrange them into uniform rows. High-tech collectors then consolidate multiple small rows, optimizing space and significantly speeding up the harvest. The feed is vacuumed and crushed on site before being transferred to modern conveyors for loading into silage storage tanks on trucks. These trucks continuously transport the processed feed to the silage storage area, ensuring the process is fast and truly efficient. At the storage site, alfalfa is gathered into large piles on a surface with a proper drainage system. Heavy-duty tractors or specialized compacting equipment press each layer tightly, removing air to minimize the risk of spoilage during fermentation. In fermentation, the entire pile is then sealed with a protective plastic cover and secured with heavy objects, creating an anaerobic environment that allows lactic acid bacteria to ferment naturally, extending the storage time while preserving its nutritional value. When needed, the automatic cutting or suction system will take the appropriate amount of feed and mix it with cereals and minerals to ensure a complete nutritional ration for the livestock. Thanks to this process, the feed source is managed effectively, helping to maintain stable reserves and continuous supply even in scarce conditions. In particular, alfalfa silage with high protein and energy content is the ideal choice, providing optimal nutritional value for dairy and beef cattle. In addition to the traditional method of silage, farmers also press alfalfa into large bales and seal them for long-term storage. Immediately after harvest, modern presses compact the feed into a uniform mass, making it easy to transport and store. A specialized film protects the feed from moisture and environmental impacts, which is especially effective when stored outdoors. After about 4 weeks of fermentation, the alfalfa is softer, retains nutrients, and has an attractive aroma for livestock. When used, an automatic cutting system chops and mixes the feed before feeding it into the cattle trough. Along with alfalfa, corn silage is an essential feed source for livestock due to its high nutritional value and long-term storage ability. In the United States, corn is harvested precisely to maintain optimal quality for livestock. Farmers usually choose to harvest when the corn reaches the dough stage with a moisture content of about 65%, ensuring freshness and nutritional value. Specialized harvesters chop the entire corn plant into uniform pieces for easy storage. Similar to alfalfa, corn is transported to the storage area and stacked on a concrete floor. A tractor compacts each layer to remove air, facilitating fermentation. When the pile reaches the appropriate size, it is covered with specialized plastic and secured with heavy objects for storage. After 4 to 6 weeks, the lactic acid bacteria complete the fermentation, helping to maintain nutritional value. When in use, an automatic cutter and mixer takes the feed, mixes it, and delivers it to the cattle trough. The harvesting and use of alfalfa and corn is a clear example of progress in agriculture. Thanks to automation, advanced machinery, and modern preservation technology, animal feed production has become more efficient and sustainable. What do you think about these improvements? Get your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us to discover more interesting things about agriculture. See you in the next video.